We've lost our minds. Garrett, what's the game plan for today?
Try to catch 50 fish.
50 fish. Long day. Hopefully it isn't. So we've done 31 at this pond before, so we decided fishing's been slow the last couple of weeks. We've been just picking at fish here and there. Let's break the cycle. Let's catch a bunch of fish. So we're going to try to catch 50 today. I'm going to try to keep a counter in the screen as we're doing it to keep track of how many fish we've caught. So future Jim, I hope you figure this out. Otherwise we're wasting a whole bunch of time. But Garrett, what do you want everybody to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
We're going to launch the canoe, kayak, yak. Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. It's the yak. And we're going to get started. You ready? Just paddled around. We're ready to get started. We've got a Ned rig. It's a Texas rig worm. We've got another Ned rig worm, swim jig, wacky rig Senko. We've got a 10-inch Texas rig worm here, drop shot for some little finesse baits, and a Texas rigged D-bomb. So see what we can drum up here. Are you? Are you sure? Got him. Oh, missed him. Again. There you go.
Boom. Get wrecked.
Get wrecked, huh? It is. Oh, we almost had a double. Number one. There we go. Feisty one. Hey, is that all? Hi, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Number two. There you go. There you go. Alright, gotcha. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. There you go. Number three. There we go. Not bad. Yeah, we're at 4. He likes the Ned rig. Boom, 4. I like this Elastec. That's why I chose these for today, because these fish will chew on it and it's not going to get all torn up. Got him. Got him. Number 5. Hey, they all count. Hey, look, if you can catch him again, it'll count as another one. No. There we go. Gotcha. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think bite will turn on and we'll start catching them faster. Grinded out sticks already. Probably missed sticks too. I've missed most of them. It's a 7. Don't get ahead of us. Whoa! Pull and drag. That's the best fish of the day. Hello!
You gonna weigh him?
I gotta weigh him. Good fish though.
Probably biggest fish.
Yeah, really. Here, can you hold him? Nice. Good. Get him? Nice. Sweet, 8. Alright. Buzz. Got one. 9. Number 9. Number 9. Stop it. Okay, go away.
Oh, there's another group.
There's some geese around here.
I don't sound like a goose.
No, you're pretty terrible with that.
Sound like a dying goose.
I don't know, I think a dying goose would sound better than that.
Baka!
Did you just say bagat?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Number 11. Get one? 13. Oh, good fish. We're gonna get a picture of that one. Got one. 14. Here I am with it. Worm's going too. Got him. 15. Got one. He's a jumper. What's happening? 17 fish. That's what's happening. Boom. Oh my gosh, I found a fish. It's a pretty good fish too. 18. There we go. Back on the board. Hey, look at that. Oh yeah. It's just too nice a bush to not hold a fish. "21 fishes. Nice one. Got him. Decent fish. Hey, Guess what that number that is? Lucky number 22. There we go. Decent. 24. Grinding them out. We're on to something here. Throw the poles. Okay, that was a reference to power pole. Never mind, it's fine. Nice, nice. There's 26. Got him. We give up. We give up. They win. So we set a goal of 50 today and fell far short. We ended up with 26, which is a good day of fishing, right? I mean, anytime you can catch 26 fish is a good day. So we just couldn't find them today. They weren't biting the way they normally do at this spot. So.
But then we went on a pattern last couple.
Yes, we found a pattern. So we did get our numbers up a little bit, but 26, we fell short. But in any case, hopefully you guys liked the video. And Garrett, what are they gonna do?
Subscribe. Comment what was your favorite part.
And then subscribe.
Yeah.
Thanks. We'll see you next time.
We need 100.